Ito na, tutugtog na ako. Happy birthday. Happy birthday! Thank you po sa lahat ng naibigay niyong sa akin. Lahat. Sorry po kasi lagi kayo nag-aaway ni ate. Tapos, lagi ko po kayo napapagalit. Or sometimes lang. Tapos na, sana po madaming dumating pang biyaya sa way niyo. Thank you po. At tatandaan niyo po, mahal na mahal po ka namin. Happy birthday po ulit. And thank you. Sorry.
Hello, Mama. Happy birthday po. We love you po always. Thank you po sa lahat po ng mga biyayang binibigay niyo po sa amin, tsaka po ginagawa niyo po sa amin. Kahit po matigas po ulo namin. I am sorry po sa lahat ng ginagawa ko po and it will never happen again. Thank you po sa mga sa pag-aalaga po sa amin since young until now. We love you po. Wishing you happy wishing you po wishing you po a happy birthday and more blessings to come and more birthdays. Hashtag thankful for being our mother. Thank you. Happy birthday!
Go. Okay na? Okay. Hi Tita, happy super blessed birthday. Thank you for being one of the best tita in the whole wide world. Alam mo naman, you're the coolest. And I'm super blessed to have you and Tito din. Kaya I'm praying na God will continue to shower you with His blessing and supply all your needs according to His riches and glory. And that will continue, and that God will continue to reveal Himself to you. And I'm always praying na He will protect you and your family. God be with you always, Tita. And happy birthday. I love you. Alam mo yan.